Hey friends, it's the freshly picked Drawcord backpack, mom approved. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jess. I share fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, so if you love that kind of stuff, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's video, please feel free to hit that like button. Freshly Picked kindly sent over a backpack, but there was no obligation to post this video. I wanted to do an in-depth review of this backpack. I've never used their backpacks, but I have tried a number of backpacks, and I actually have a full breakdown of all the diaper bags that I've already tried and rated it from my least favorite to my most favorite, and I will link it here if you want to check it out. So I'm in my toddler mom era, which means I really don't pack as much as I used to compared to 12 months and under. With that being said, I just personally prefer to carry less around or just keep it in the car so I don't have to lug it in and out. A lot of things still don't fit in my personal bag because he's still wearing diapers. So I do like to carry a backpack around, but nothing as big as what I usually do. And I felt like this is the perfect size. So this is my first time unboxing this bag and really seeing the quality of Freshly Picked. This is vegan leather, and I love leather bags as diaper bags. They're just easier to wipe off, but they can get heavy depending on the type of leather they use. Like the fawn design bag, I forget what kind of leather is used, but it is so heavy because of the material, and this one's actually really light. The Diaper Dover one, I love this material, but it's harder to wipe off. As you can see, there's some stains there. This one you just really have to throw the whole thing in the washing machine, compared to a bag like this, you could just wipe it off. So that's a pro. So like the name, it's a Drawcord backpack. And then it has an easy on and off clip here. Just like any diaper bag, it has adjustable straps. This one only has one zipper in the back. It has pockets all around. Because it's black inside, I feel like that can be a con. So just a heads up, if you do get a black diaper bag and if the inside's black, it may be a little harder to find things. It comes with a diaper changing pad. Has big sleeve pocket here, an insulated cup holder, just a zipper pocket back here. Pretty basic, pretty simple, pretty standard to your regular diaper bags. It also has your stroller clips here. Let's see how much of my things in my Diaper Dover bag I can fit in this. Okay, so I just emptied out our Diaper Dover bag, and this is pretty much everything that was in it. I don't really need this changing pad anymore because there's already one inside. Toss that to the side, but I think this is everything we have. I always carry this around just in case we have some loose necks, and he can just use that when he's sitting in a stroller or car seat. Extra clothes, like a bib, dinnerware set, just little miscellaneous things like sunscreen, Tylenol for me, some pacifier wipes, Aquaphor, this little toy we use on the go, and also this other toy thing I made. So, and of course snacks, essential, toddler mom essential, hand sanitizer. So I think it should all fit in here, but we will see. Alrighty, so we got everything out of a bag. It does feel smaller and more compact than the Diaper Dover. Honestly, with the stuff in here compared to the Diaper Dover, it almost weighs the same. I wouldn't say it's heavier, but it's still just as like weighted down. I love how sleek and chic this is. If you're looking for a bag that has style and just doesn't look like a generic diaper bag, definitely check out Freshly Picked. They have a ton of cute styles. It feels really good on the shoulders. Like, it doesn't feel like it's pulling me back or weighing me down. Up and show you all. Yeah, super cute. I feel like I'm just wearing a personal bag, like a bag that I would wear for myself. So I love this. So far so good. They were also so kind to give me a code. I will put it here, and I will also put it in the description box below, as well as the backpack, a direct link to the backpack we have. The code expires soon, so if you are thinking about getting a freshly picked backpack, definitely don't miss out on using this code because it will save you a bunch of money. Diaper bags aren't cheap, so if you are on a budget, definitely take advantage of that.